Well, another day gone. It's been 1 week. So I started internship this week with Sales Sniper. So I got into the program at the last possible second. So it's a 12-week internship. It's almost like a boot camp. So we do role plays every single week. And then sometime within the 12 weeks, you get one account to manage. And then you get to show your stuff, see what you're capable of. You could be an appointment setter, a closer, triager, who knows what. So my plan is each week is to just give a little bit of an update as to what's going on, a little bit of behind the scenes, that kind of stuff, just to show you a little bit about what it takes to become an inbound closer. And there's a lot of training involved. Don't let anybody fool you into saying that you can generate $50,000, $60,000 in 1 week, $100,000 a month, all this kind of stuff. Takes time, takes a lot of inertia, a lot of training, a lot of role plays, a lot of studying, all kinds of stuff, perfecting your craft, getting better. So if there's anything that I could say, is practice role plays, practice your tonality, which I have to work on a ton, and just, work on understanding emotional intelligence, all that kind of stuff. Being able to have empathy, not sympathy, but empathy. And just practice your craft. Practice getting better on the phone. That's it for this week's review. See you in another video.